In Pakistan, the introduction of the blasphemy law in the 1980s has promoted unleashing chaos. Simply accusing a person of having disrespected Muhammad or the Quran puts his or her life at risk. Joseph Coots, Archbishop of Karachi, explains that this tool is a scourge for all, not only for religious minorities. He remembers the case of Mashal Khan, a 24-year-old Muslim communication student. In April 2017, dozens of people took him out of his dorm room, stripped him, beat him, shot him, and threw him from a second floor.
This was a big shock for everybody. And that young student's father says, "I do not believe that my son has spoken against the Prophet Muhammad. He could not have done such a thing. He was a good Muslim." So he has taken up the matter. And there is pressure now on the government and on the police to carry out a proper investigation.
The investigation paid off, and the Pakistani court in charge of the case made an energetic decision. It sentenced 31 people, 5 of them to lifelong imprisonment and 1 to death. Coots explains that in cases like this one, like with Asia Bibi and many others, show that the blasphemy law has become a scourge of society.
The problem with the blasphemy law is it can very easily be misused. And this is what is happening. It is very easy to accuse somebody of blasphemy or of desecrating the holy book, the Quran, and that person comes into trouble. Because religion for us is a very emotional thing. Everybody gets excited.
The Archbishop of Karachi says that although Christians are an easy target in Pakistan, their example does not go unnoticed. The clearest case was that of the German religious Ruth Pfau. The religious devoted almost 50 years of her life to taking care of the country's lepers. She died in 2017 at 87 years old and was called the Mother Teresa of Pakistan.
And the government of Pakistan gave her an official state funeral, which came as a surprise also to us. And then, more than that, our postal system has printed a stamp, a postage stamp, to honor Dr. Ruth Pfau. So these things I can say with pride. And I'm sure my Muslim friends and brothers and sisters will accept that the Church is doing more than its small capacity.
The blasphemy law has proved to be an easy out for resolving personal issues. The rise of fanaticism can complicate matters for Christian minorities, who are not even 4% of the 200 million inhabitants. The Pope knows the situation in Pakistan firsthand. At the end of February, he met with Asia Bibi's relatives, and in mid-March with the bishops from the country.